खाना नहीं खाया क्या? वन मोर टाइम, आवाज नहीं आ रही है। हेलो एवरीवन, हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे। तो आज हम सेलिब्रेट करने जा रहे हैं अपने सोसाइटी में रिपब्लिक डे। ये हो रही है प्रिपरेशन रिपब्लिक डे सेलिब्रेशन की हमारी सोसाइटी में।
भारत की आज़ादी के लिए हमारे देश में 6,752 व्यक्ति ने अपनी आहुति देने के पश्चात तब भारत को स्वतंत्र कराया था। 26 जनवरी को गणतंत्र दिवस मना करके भारत के संविधान को लागू किया गया था। तब से आज तक 75वां गणतंत्र दिवस है जो आज चल रहा है। ये सिर्फ उन लोगों की देन है जो लोग भारत में दुनिया में नहीं रहे हैं और वो हमारे लिए स्वतंत्र भारत की नींव डाल करके स्वतंत्र करके भारत गए हैं, जिसमें आज हम स्वतंत्र रूप से अपनी सांस ले रहे हैं। जय हिंद।
जय हिंद।
धन्य जवान धन्य बोल की जवान जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी सजा खुश रहना।
Speech. So ಏನಾದರೂ ತಪ್ಪಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. And same with Hindi. ये मेरा पहला. So in case of any emergency that we have to evacuate this place, it's never happened, but we cannot say it will not happen. So let's be prepared. Chocolates or no chocolates? Chocolates. Okay. Okay. So we'll have the chocolates through the day. Okay. How depends on how you participate. So one promise that I want from everybody. Will you all make that promise? Say it loud. It's a rule, and also you don't insult our national flag. Okay, so as a mark of respect, either you take it home. If you don't want to take it home, give it to one of the volunteer aunties which is standing there. Okay, but I don't want any of you to throw the. How many letters are there in the word republic? Only 8 letters. There are only 8. There are only.
सकल जीव समता साधु साधु विदिता सकल जीव समता साधु साधु विदिता अखिल लोक प्रटिता परमानंद समुदिता अखिल लोक प्रटिता परमानंद समुदिता जयति जयति भारत माता बुध गीता निखिलमता मन निरता नट जन सुता जयति 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 अगणित गुणशीला अति दयाल वाला अगणित गुणशीला अति दयाल वाला पंडित शुभ जाना पठित प्राण लोला प्रकटित शुभ जाना पठित प्राण लोला जयति जयति भारत माता बुध गीता निखिलमता मन निरता नट जन सुविता जयति 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 पंडित परिपूजित.
Thank you, Nidhi Anasta. Was the first president of India. We are here. Yes, that's the one, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Can you all give him a big round of applause? And you can go take your chocolate. Okay, now I'll ask an easy one. While he takes the chocolate. while he takes the chocolate, I'll ask an easy one. How many of you have seen the India flag? All of you see. You will not get this chocolate, huh? For next round you will take it, okay? So, what is the color that's on the top of the Indian national flag? Many said orange. First saffron was. Yeah, that's you go and take it. Okay, I think all the big kids are silent. So we will ask all the residents one question. This is open to all the residents. Let's see how much you know. I want the current EC members to be silent. I want the current EC members to be silent because some of you might know the answer, but previous EC members and everybody. So you all know how many zones we have, right? Courts 1 to 5. How many colors we have? Coral 1 to 4. Do we know how many dwellings we have? Houses, plots, villas, apartments? Do we have in all of this put together? 300 by Aparna? You are far off. Anybody closer? Anybody closer? 450. Bona, you are still far off. Guys, how many? Don't open the Google. Don't open Google. It's not there in Google. It's not there in Google. Okay? No, we are close. We will ask the ex-president after this. We will ask the ex-president. Very mistaking. Somebody. How many villas do we have? How many houses do we have in Crystal Campus? We call? 200. No, not 200. We are. Tell me a number. It's not. It's yeah, Bona. 600 plus. That's wrong. Exact number. We are not talking of number of people. We are talking number of houses. We are talking of number of houses, empty plots, apartments, villas. No. No. 92. No, 92 is what we have in Coral 3. No. The correct. Have to know how many houses are there in Crystal Campus 10. We have 385 houses. Okay, we have 385 houses. We have a correct answer. 385. Guys, next time somebody asks, please remember we have. So we have.
Our nation, India, is a democratic republic. People in India speak many languages. They are in different states. There are many landforms. The Himalayas in the north, the Cape of Kanyakumari in the south, Arunachal Pradesh in the east, and the Rann of Kutch in the west. I am proud of India. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
I'm very proud to be an Indian. Happy Republic Day.
Wanting to come and do a speech, can you come forward, please?
Everyone, I wish you a very, very happy Republic Day. My name is Nisha Khan. January every year. It is a very proud day of our country. The Constitution of our country was made on this day. This day reminds us of the vision and sacrifices of our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And children have so many sweet in the society. I will sing a song for my country, India. Sweet and forest, India. No other country in the world better than my country, India.
Constitution of India was framed on the 26th of January 1950. So I have a question to all the elders here. Okay, we have many days in India. There is also a day called the Constitution Day in India. Does anybody know? Do anybody know what is the or when is the Constitution Day of India celebrated? Constitution Day of India celebrated. Kids, I come to you. This is for bigger kids. Your daddies, your uncles. Anybody? 18th of September. No, that's wrong. Okay. Congratulations. What's your name? Kushbu said the right answer. The Constitution Day of India is November 26th. It's not January 26th. It's the November 26th. Okay. So one more thing he said, Nishchu said in his speech was, yeah, I'll go that little later. Was in the end he said Jai Hind. Okay, this is for not the adults but the smaller kids, that age kids. Jai Hind. Who coined the word Jai Hind? Kids, middle school kids, high school kids. Who coined the word Jai Hind? Not you. Who coined the word? Vedang, Aishwarya, coined by Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, now to you before we go to the next performance. Kids are ready. Do we know? Kids? Five of you can take chocolates. Five of you can take the first five. No, it's over. Okay, those who are staying here, I have a question. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Mahatma Gandhi, no. Subhash Chandra Bose, no. Okay, you get a chocolate. There you go. It's B.R. Ambedkar who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution. Okay?
Today is Republic Day, isn't it? Yes, indeed. Did you know that it's India's 76th Republic Day? Wow, I did not know this. It's amazing how India celebrates Republic Day with such grand diversity. From the mighty parade in New Delhi, showcasing different cultural performances, to various states bringing their unique traditions to life. Flowers together form one garden. Despite our diverse backgrounds and traditions, we all stand united under the same constitution. So, should we sing the song? देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है। हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है। बेला गुलाब जूही चंपा चमेली, बेला गुलाब जूही चंपा चमेली, प्यारे प्यारे फूल गूंजे माला में एक है, प्यारे प्यारे फूल गूंजे माला में एक है। हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है। कोयल की क्यूक प्यारी काफिले की प्यारी।
Everybody be seated. We have the chief guest with us, and Gorissa will take it on from here.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದಂತ ಪುತ್ತೂರು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದಂತ ಸಿ.ಜಿ. ನಯ್ಯರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿಷಯ ಕೊಡೋ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೃಷಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಯಮರಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ 10 ಮತ್ತು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಬಜೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಕೆಲವರ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಬರಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಸದಾ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸದಾ ಬೆಂಬಲವಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಹೆಂಗಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತು ವಿರಳ ಕೆಲಸ ಬಹಳ ಅಂತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವದ ಮನುಷ್ಯ. ಈ ಬರೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಮ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಸದಾ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವನ್ ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿ 12 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಹಿತ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನರು. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ 10 ಅವರು ಸಹಿತ ತಾವು ತಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬಾ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದಂತ ಸುಲೋಚನಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆಗಲಿ, PDO ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರಾಗ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳಂತೂ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಯಾವಾಗ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ನಮ್ಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಇತರ ಸದಸ್ಯರು
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ
ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಧ್ವಜಾರೋಹಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೇನೆ.
ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಧ್ವಜಾರೋಹಣವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಇತರೆ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಕೈ
जनमन जय 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 हे जय जय.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ವಂದನೆಗಳು.
Can we have a big round of applause for our security team? These are the people who ensure that we are all safe.
For keeping us safe and for their wonderful performance today. Thank you. Thank you. Opening this question to everybody. There is one.
Give all the garments to the guy going in the front, but they're doing it wrong. Nice. So if somebody had this sticker at the back of their car, I don't think any of us would give all that scolding. So for you, this is, I think, Coach 2X, Current 2X. So Sumesh, we have interesting things saying here. We can have this later. Okay, so if you think you need this sticker, I think Hema has got 10 stickers that we have bought. Please take them. And if you think you need more stickers, let us know, we can arrange it for you. Okay, so this is an initiative that we are going to drive today. So please push yourself if you think anybody needs this sticker. Thank you very much to the NGO, and I think we should all applaud this NGO who has taken this great initiative to do it. Thank you. Okay, I think most of the kids are very attentive. Kids, you can come and occupy this space. Now the chief guest is gone, the place is all yours. Have fun. Okay, now all the elders. Yeah, you want to take a chair. Wonderful, I like it. Sweets, you can get the sweets. For all the elders, we have one question. So all the elders, all the kids. So we go for the elders first. We'll allow the kids to settle. All the elders. You know, our constitution has gone through an amendment. They've gone through an amendment many times. Can anybody tell me, please put the points away done to our constitution? As of yesterday, how many times we have amended our constitution? Abide, there you go. Double it. Triple it. How many times? As on yesterday. How many times has our constitution been amended? Today we are talking about the constitution. How many times has it been? 26. No, that's very, very far ago. Put 100 to that. 181. Reduce 18. 126. Reduce 6. Oh, that's right. See about it. As on yesterday, we have amended our constitution 106 times. Okay? 106 times. Okay? Now, to all the aunties, those 3 aunties and those uncles. Okay? This question आपके लिए, ये question आपके लिए है. Nobody answers. Okay? हमारी इंडियन का एम्बलम है, उसके नीचे 2 बेर लिखे हुए हैं. Correct answer. Give her a chocolate auntie. Okay, now one more to senior citizens. One more question, okay, because they've been silent. हमारे इंडिया का झंडा में वो चक्र होता है, अशोक चक्र. ओके, व्हाट डज इट रिप्रेजेंट? तो हमें क्या बोलते हैं? गाइस, आंटी सीनियर सिटीजन. Yeah, means Ashok Chakra. What does it represent? Oh, क्यों that day? What does it represent? 24. Yeah, that's correct. But it represents something. We have to be. Oh, 24 hours. But it represents something. That's 24 hours. It represents something. हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं, इंग्लिश में बोल सकते हैं. वो क्या represent करता है? No. You are 80. Then I'll ask you. You are 80? No, then sit down. What does it represent? The Ashok Chakra in our flag represents dharma or righteousness. Chakra, that's what Ashok Chakra is. Okay? Dharma. Our national flag, the Ashok Chakra on the national flag represents dharma. Okay, now we have the next program. Come forward. What are you going to sing? Okay, they are going to sing an interesting.
नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है. हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है. जन्मभूमि है हमारी शान से कहेंगे हम, सभी तो
Okay, I think I've seen her character in Mission Mangal, right? Yes, somebody like her, somebody who replicated her was there in the movie. So going to all years for Chandrayaan. All the best.
Thank you. Happy Republic Day, and I'm happy to be here. And thank you to the organizing committee to have invited me here.
The Kori Agriculture 1925. He formed the Hindustan Republican Association in 1920 with Sachindranath, Mark Sayal and Jadu Gopal Mukherjee, and fought against the British rule in India and India independence movement.
Thank you very much. Can we have
To stand here today to share something very special. How we, little kids, can help make India great. Today, on Republic Day, we celebrate the day when India became a republic with its own rules and rights for everyone. But being a great nation is not about having a strong army or big buildings. It is about the people who live in it too. That includes us, kids too. So, how can we help? First, we need to be kind and honest. When we help a friend or respect our elders, we are helping our nation become a better place. Second, we need a strong and smart India needs strong and smart kids like us. Fourth, respect our country. Standing up for the national anthem, saluting the flag, and loving our motherland makes us true Indians. So today, let us promise that we will always try to make our India proud. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Raisha. That was wonderful. Can anybody say one message that Raisha told? One message? Yeah, tell me. Stand up for our national flag, be better kids, make better nation, don't throw garbage. So many things she said. You were focused on something else. Kids, she said, kids can make a big change. Okay, what did she say? Tell me. Don't throw garbage. Fantastic. Hey, you are kids, you should listen to all this. Now we have Isha going to do her part as Rani Chand.
मैं रानी लक्ष्मीबाई हूँ। मैं झांसी की रानी हूँ। मैं धरती माँ की बेटी हूँ और कोई मेरे होते हुए कोई भी फिरंगी झांसी के ऊपर हाथ नहीं लगाएगा। जय हिंद। थैंक यू।
No, it's not 7. I know someone's doing it. It's not 7. I know. Someone said. job, guys. Good job. Wonderful.
They both did an excellent job, excellent work. It was all entertaining. I know every resident would have felt that engagement, encouragement from both of them. So big round of applause to held the fort since morning. It's not easy to stand in the sun for so long. Thank you so much, Sunil. Thank you so much, Gauri.
And all the people who put their hands, effort, everything together to make this event a grand success. And last but not the least, each one of you. This would not have been possible if you guys would not have come here today. Okay? So, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart, on behalf of the EC, for coming here today, gracing the occasion, standing up for what we believe in, standing up for what our country believes in, believing in our country, to making our country a better country, to take the place for whatever we stood here for today. I want everybody, a larger participation, everybody to organize the events in the campus. Okay? With that, wishing you all a Republic Day once again, signing off and wishing you a better day for the rest of the day. Thank you very much.
खाना नहीं खाया क्या? वन मोर टाइम, आवाज नहीं आ रही है।